Hello everyone, I'm going to show you online airline ticket reservation system. This is the main class that contains a main method to run this program. What do we have in the main method? Firstly, there is an object of splash class to show a splash screen. Method sleep allows to delay a current thread on 3 seconds. In other words, we can observe a splash during this time. Have a look. Just run the program. Splash screen 1 2 3 seconds, and now we have the main window. So after that we should close splash screen using dispose method and show a main frame with the appropriate title using object of GUI class. Of course we should make visible our frame using set visible true. Next we have an object of view login class to show a frame with login field and password field for authorization. Now we have a controller class that implements action listener interface and contains a general action performed method for all actions from user. Now let's try to open controller to make sure it implements action listener interface. Okay. So to have an ability to use controller, we have to add a controller user specific method like this: add controller to GUI, add controller to login. Let's open the first class GUI Java and find add controller method. Yes, indeed. For example, JMenu item exit allows the user to exit the program. Add controller JMenu item enter member allows the user to enter as a member to our system. To reserve ticket, to book tickets, let's say as a second class view login class also has add controller method. But this class has only two buttons. Both of these buttons add controller using add action listener J button. Okay. To confirm login and password, and J button cancel if the user wants to get back to the main frame without registration. So okay. Now let's try to run this program to see all functionalities. Main 3 seconds and main frame. Main frame consists of the JMenu bar. JMenu bar has enter JMenu, ticket JMenu, and 2 bars: current time bar, current date bar. JMenu enter has 4 JMenu items. The first item allows the user to enter as a member to our system. The second item allows the user to enter as a guest to our system, also to register and to exit the program. The second JMenu has 3 JMenu items: to reserve ticket, to refuse ticket, and book, to book ticket. So let's try to enter as a guest to our system. As you can see, we have JTable with all possible flights. Note, flights can be loaded to the JTable using flights txt file. Just origin city, destination city, departure date, arrival date, type of class first business, smoking, no smoking, available for the users. Okay. We can see that the main functionalities are unavailable for the guest, particularly search button or flights button and all options of the ticket JMenu. To have an ability to use these options, you have to enter as a member to our system. To enter as a member to our system, we should have login and password. To have login and password, we should register. So enter login for example user, password 1234. Note the number of symbols of password cannot be less than 4 symbols. Confirm password, and okay. Oh, password don't coincide. Perhaps I made a mistake. 1 2 3 4. Confirm 1 2 3 4. Okay, congratulations, now you're our user. Okay. So now let's try to enter as a member to our system. Login, user, password 1 2 3 4. Okay, and let's find flight from Detroit, for example, to Denver. Available flight. Search Detroit, Denver, available. And now let's try to change status from available to reserved. And now for example, we want to buy this ticket, or to booked. So flights, and let's try to find flight from Detroit to Honolulu, for example. Search nothing flights. Once again, all flights. Now pay attention that we can change status of available flight to reserved, but we cannot change from available to book. Yeah. First we should change status from available to reserved, and after that we should change status from reserved to booked. Okay, now let's exit the program and run the program once again to make sure all changes were saved to customers txt to tickets txt. So enter as a member. Now we have login and password, user 1234. Okay, so yes, indeed, the first flight booked, the second reserved, the third fourth available, and the last flight is booked. Okay. So for example, the user wants to refuse from the flight. Refuse available once again. Okay, hope it was clear. Thank you for the attention. Goodbye.